The best thing about being a statistician is that you get to play in everyone's backyard. The famous statistician John Tukey once wrote. This is because statistics is essential in practically every field of science.
I enrolled in the statistics program at the University of Ljubljana to further my fascination with numbers, to understand what stories numbers tell us and what patterns they reveal about our own lives. I am an official statistician, which means I deal with international statistical standards and methods to measure elements in our daily lives, in our societies, in our economies, in the environment. For example, to understand what is behind the figure of gross domestic product, or inflation, or international trade. I am engaged in international official statistics, and I have worked at the United Nations and National Statistics Office.
Students can choose a mentor from different fields of statistics, such as social sciences, natural sciences, engineering, and official statistics. These mentors and other teachers are leading experts with a high international profile, as shown by numerous achievements and awards.
In my doctoral thesis, I am interested in estimating the effectiveness of cancer screening programs. I have developed a new method which tells us whether the survival of cancer patients increases if they attend screening tests. When analyzing the data, many different statistical approaches are available. The biggest challenge, in my opinion, is to pick the right tool to solve your problem. The freedom and creativity is something that I enjoy the most about my work.
Students and those who already have a PhD connect and help each other both informally and formally. Especially popular is the annual Young Statisticians meeting that brings students of statistics from all surrounding countries together. Within the framework of study practice, students cooperate with governmental and non-governmental organizations and companies, with the Statistical Office of the Republic of Slovenia being especially noteworthy. The international collaboration of students, mentors, and other teachers and researchers is a key part of study at the University of Ljubljana. We are very proud that many students from various parts of the world have enrolled in our PhD program. Both foreign and Slovenian students have several possibilities when it comes to co-financing their studies.
As part of the social statistics module, I study employee behavior relating to information security. Let's say you accidentally leaked some sensitive company information. What would you do?